Hello and welcome to Doroni. We're so excited you could join us today for the release of our latest model, the Doroni H1X. We're going to do the unveiling shortly, but first I wanted to take a second to tell you about what got us here. 7 years ago, I had a vision, a world without roads, where you can live in remote places, a world with no traffic, a more efficient world in every sense of the word. We proved it can work with the H1 and educated the world of a future that is coming.
A flying car company has successfully completed the first ever manned test.
Let me introduce to you the H1X. Introducing the only of its kind. Nothing like it has ever existed before. It looks and feels breathtaking. Designed for personal and shared experiences, the H1X comfortably accommodates 2 people. There are 2 individual motors on each of the 4 wings. These motors enable electric vertical takeoff and landing, allowing the H1X to operate in urban environment without the need for runways. And the rear pushers propel us forward to our destination. It has unmatched performance. However, will also be so intuitive that a 4-year-old can fly it. One push of a button and you're up, floating in the clouds with a panoramic view of your surroundings.
When we think about developing a product, we look how it will be implemented safely and seamlessly into our lives. When we look at the other players in the current market, here is what we are seeing. The problem is, if the blades act as the wings, keeping these vehicles in the air would require lots of energy and also not so safe. So here is what we did. We've created an in-wing ducted fan which is masterfully designed to suppress noise pollution, improve flight efficiency, and keeps everyone safe. The combination of all these advancements allows us to be the first to develop a fully electric vehicle of this kind. Taking a closer look at these wings, as the rear pushes propel you forward, lift from the wings is generated, requiring significantly less lift thrust from our ducted fans. I don't want to just breeze over this point, however, because managing to put 4 huge holes in your wings and still have lift is not an easy task, and we were actually told that it wouldn't work. What we've created has never been done before, and we've absolutely made sure that we've patented it. And now I'm excited to introduce you to our aerospace engineer, David, to elaborate more on what our patented technology means for Doroni.
Hey, thanks for having me. As you were saying, we managed to create something extraordinary. We know generating lift for the forward flight was critical to conserve power and reduce the workload on the lift fans. Keeping that in mind and the intention of a vehicle fitting into a 2-car garage led us to think out of the box and devise ways to make a truly unique design. Wings with better lift are thin, but our ducted fans need to be thick. Combining new ideas with old, we found inspiration from older jet fighters of the 50s and 60s that mixed different wing cambers with wing sweeps. This state-of-the-art propulsion system set a new standard for safety and performance, and we're excited to share these designs with you all.
Thank you for your time, David. All that engineering combined allows the H1X to have a top speed of 120 miles an hour, weighs in at 1,850 pounds, has a payload capacity of 500 pounds, and a flight time of 40 minutes. Speaking of flight time, we have designed our charging system to be compatible with standard EV charging infrastructure, ensuring the H1X can be conveniently charged, integrating seamlessly with the existing electric vehicle ecosystem. Not to mention that you will be able to swap your battery packs. The idea of traveling in a straight line to your destination is an exciting thought. So let's talk about how we get you there safely. The easy-to-use joystick is intuitive, simplifying the flight process and reducing the learning curves. Doroni's proactive safety features comes with advanced anti-collision sensors. The H1X continuously monitors its surroundings to avoid obstacles and ensuring peace of mind for all on board. Combined with autonomous equilibrium, with our self-stabilizing flight system, we ensure stable flight even in turbulence conditions, reducing pilot workload and enhancing passenger comfort. In addition to that, we have a built-in ballistic parachute system offering an emergency option to bring the Doroni down safely in an unlikely event of critical failure.
So what does this mean for the future of transportation? Well, the future of personal transportation is looking very promising. The Doroni H1X was designed to cater to personal ownership, government agencies, and emergency services, and will make our customers' lives and jobs easier and far more thrilling than anything we've ever experienced before. And we're planning on executing full-scale test flights by the end of 2024. The H1X will revolutionize personal travel. This is the beginning of something very special within the transportation industry, and we are thrilled to share this moment in time with you.